Today I want to show you what you can do with ByteDance USO image generator. First, let's go to the ComfyUI website. ByteDance USO. USO stands for Unified Style Subject Optimized. And down here, you can see some example, and there's also showing how to download the models. But let me show you from ComfyUI. You just go to the browse template and search for USO. This one is built on top of Flux Kontext. Just click on the workflow. Here is the information for downloading the models. If you have used Flux Kontext before, so you don't need to download this. If you download this, make sure you put it in the checkpoints folder, not the usual diffusion models, and download the LoRa and put it to the location as described here. And this workflow is quite simple. Let me show you a test first. So first of all, I want to do it with more than one image. I need a stitch node to get two images together. So this one go to here, and this one go to here. Now just press Alt and drag and drop to duplicate the node. And this one go to here. Then we have two input nodes. And the other thing is I want to change the aspect ratio to landscape 768. And I want to use my prompt for testing. I've been using this for a while. So basically, two people are standing at the bar, have a drink. And of course, I need the reference images, my standard test images. One is my photo and one is the lady from the AI world. Or before I run it, I don't want any reference here. I want to bypass them. So these are the style references. Okay, now let's run it and see how it goes. Okay, it's done. Let's have a look. How long did it take? 64 seconds, not too bad on my RTX 4070 with 8 GB of VRAM. Slower than the Nunchaku version, but the result is quite nice. It doesn't look like plastic thing. Let me make sure this is random because I don't want to generate the same image again and again. So now the next one is I want to show you the style reference here. This group of nodes are for style references. Now I need to disable bypass on this one. And I've got a style image here. So it's a kind of water painting I found on internet. And now let's run it and see how it goes. Okay, it's done. Have a look. Very nice. But for some reason, she's getting one more arm. I don't know, when I change the style, it starts getting very weird. Like early AI mistake is coming up here. But the color is really nice. I mean, the proportion, the neck is a little bit long. That's okay. It looks like a drawing, but this is not acceptable. So what I can do is, I can put something into the prompt just to avoid. I hope that will help, like human anatomy correct and correct human limbs or whatever. I tried this, so see whether this can help. What I want to do is I want to mix the style. This is a very old drawing from 1977. So that's what I have done. You can see the drawing is not that good, so the proportion is a little bit weird. Anyway, that was my drawing. how many years ago? Almost 50 years ago. So let's try to generate my own style. Now I'm going to run it again and hope I won't see the duplicate arms here. Okay, it's done. Let's have a look. Okay, my prompt didn't help. She still have extra arm here. But one thing is really nice. You can see the pencil drawing and the texture of the paper. Actually, I quite like the incorrect proportion. It looks more like a drawing instead of just a style conversion of a photo. But this one is weird here. The good thing is we run it on the local machine. We can try many times. The next thing I want to show you is, let me see, to put a objects here to generate an image instead of two-person. But I want to do it with a simple style. Just turn off this one. Let me put a guitar here. So I want to change the prompt here. So this is my new prompt. The man is standing in his bedroom and playing a red guitar. So let's try this. Okay, it's done. Let's have a look. Okay, he's holding the guitar a little bit weird here, but the drawing is quite nice. You can see the pencil drawing, the style. It's quite nice that the guitar is red, but I don't know why it's changing this like a guitar, because this is how it's supposed to look like. And but this part has taken over. In general, there's a USO is very good in creating style, even mixing two styles. But I just don't know why it start getting those early AI mistakes with multiple arms and those things. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.